Looking for some inspiring under-stairs storage ideas? Time to make the most of that lost space with our comprehensive guide to under-stairs storage ideas. From practical, affordable shelving options to incredibly extra wine rooms, you'll never just chuck stuff under the stairs again. 1. Use pegs for cute practical under-stair storage. We love this under-stairs storage idea of using oversized pegs to hang stuff from and build shelves onto. It's basically like a giant pegboard, but your wall is the board. 2. Under-stair storage closets. Even modest-sized homes have decent under-stair storage space. Make the most of yours by putting in a central door to create a spacious cupboard for large items, or lots of small ones. 3. Shoe storage needed? Put it under the stairs. The under-stair area is just asking for shoe storage. After all, most staircases are usually close to the front door, so it makes sense to buy clever hallway shoe storage to keep the space neat. 4. Petite playroom. Have a spot for the kiddos to play without their toys creating a mess around the house. This crawl space under the stairs created by Von Fitz Design is a fun hideaway for the kids and the clutter. 5. The ultimate nook. The space under the stairs provides just the right depth for a comfy bench and bookshelf. Add in fluffy pillows and a lamp and it's the ultimate reading spot. 6. Decked with drawers. A narrow hallway might not be conducive for storage furniture, yet you still need somewhere to toss your keys, bags, shoes, etc. 7. Comfortable entryway. A simple banquette piled with pillows and lit from above with a wall sconce is a tempting spot to curl up with a favorite book, and it makes for an easy spot to sit and tie your shoes. 8. Artful display. Alcove shelving built into the stairs is the perfect place to showcase treasured antiques and decorative items. 9. Catchalls in the hall. These little cubbies situated at the bottom of the stairs are a stylish way to keep the front hall tidy. 10. Pet kennel. Keep your pets out of trouble when they're at home alone with this neat space designed just for them. 11. Home office. You don't need to give up a bedroom to have your own private home office. 12. Bookshelves. Showcase your collection of books, knickknacks, or antiques with this smart storage solution. 13. Pantry. If your kitchen cabinets don't offer enough room for your cookware and food storage needs, then consider this inventive idea. 14. Coat closet. Make your entryway feel larger by eliminating the need for a bulky, protruding armoire and install a sleek coat closet under your stairs instead. 15. Seating area. Take a cue from Joanna Gaines and use this spot to create a relaxing mini library just for you. 16. Powder room. With just enough space for a sink and toilet, this nook easily transforms into a small bathroom. 17. Mudroom storage. Installing cubbies, hooks, and shelves is the easiest way to upgrade this area into a storage unit, which is perfect for housing kids' jackets, school supplies, and sports equipment. 18. Vintage cabinet. Tuck a beautiful cabinet under your stairs for a storage option that is as purposeful as it is gorgeous. 19. Kitchen pantry. Transform your staircase space into a quaint pantry, ideal for storing all your dry goods, baking ingredients, and more behind a sliding barn door. 20. Reading nook. Fill it with plush pillows and a blanket, and you'll never want to leave. 21. A storage bench with pillows and faux fur will form a cozy little under the stairs sitting nook. 22. Place an IKEA Kallax shelving unit under the stairs to get much storage space without any effort.